Good morning, YouTube fam. Yeah, your girl is barefaced. Why am I barefaced? Because the AIA Beauty Bundle is in, and you guys, it is all touch of soul. So hold that thought just a minute. Y'all, I had recorded my normal intro for this normal unboxing video, which is what I assumed it was going to be. You guys, I had not used the Touch of Soul's products before. I had used their facial cream before, their cream gel, but that is it. You guys, they've touched my soul. You know what to do. YouTube fan, you guys. All I got to say is, wow. Wow. Okay, let's get into the technical parts of it. AIA Beauty Bundle, $38 monthly. They do a collab with small indie brands, small brands, and then they put them in their box, $38 a month. You get a different thing each month, but you get 5 products of the exact same brand. Amazing way to try out a new brand that you haven't tried. And they donate $1 for every box they sell to City of Hope for Cancer Research. All right, loves, we're going to get into Touch of Soul makeup. Oh my Lord. So I am actually going to do the befores, the afters, the longevities, what I thought of it, everything. I'm going to do close-up pictures with you guys from beginning to end so that you can actually see these products in action. I had literally only tried this before. What is this, you ask? Let me get my glasses on because I want you all to know all the details about it. This here is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. This is the only thing I'd ever tried. It was an amazing moisturizer. My skin actually looked refreshed and hydrated, and I loved it. Loved it. Ran out of it, and y'all know I get a lot of products in, so I just moved on to the next one, and I had honestly forgotten just how good this was. So I was super excited when this came in the box. This is coming in at 38 bucks. You get a lot in here, you guys. There is 50 grams in here, 1.76 ounces. It is a lot. And the scent, oh, it is heavenly, absolutely heavenly. Let me tell you what it says. The Ultra Hydrating Moisture Gel Cream is instantly absorbed into skin to calm, soothe, and minimize signs of aging, which it does. And your girl's going to show you the proof in the video that it does. Okay. Rejuvenating ingredients include triple hyaluronic acid and unique combinations of super hydrating botanicals featuring shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and squalene. Amazing ingredients for your skin. There's no artificial colorants or parabens in it. I really love this stuff, you guys. I'm going to keep this big old jar on my desk now. Again, it's coming in at $38, the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Okay. This is the one that I was excited about seeing. I had seen the previews on AIA Beauty Bundle's Instagrams, and I was excited because, like I said, I love the Waterfall Glow Cream so much. I'm like, oh, the bomb's got to be even better, you guys. Got to be, oh my gosh, you guys. Yes, your girl is excited about all this stuff. So this here is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Very cute packaging. The lid is absolutely enormous in here. Your product is actually in here. So when you go to open it, this is your lid. Don't open it like that. This is your lid. It does come with that protective seal. Okay, you guys, this is coming in at $32. 32 bucks. This 2-in-1 moisturizing water-based balm. So it's not a silicone. So it would be wonderfully amazing for oily skin people, which I don't have. I have normal to dry skin. Okay. Calms the skin while restoring radiance and delivering a hydrating, priming finish to enhance makeup application, which I did go ahead and put my makeup on for you guys so you could see how it applied over all of this. Okay. Loaded with hydrating botanicals, damask rose water, shea butter, and sunflower seed oil. Used daily, this lightweight balm cream delivers dewy, glowy skin in one easy step for a glassy, laminated, skin-perfected, and it's born in Korea. It's Korea skincare, you guys. Y'all, wow. I can't wait till you see the befores and afters. I just can't. Again, $32 for the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Okay, guys, let's move on here. Next thing we have, I have always wanted to try this. This is the No Problem Primer. This is coming in at 18 bucks. Yes, I use it for you guys. Before and afters, close-ups will be coming up soon. The original K Beauty Primer has an airy formula, refines pores, minimizes their size, while instantly providing proper adhesion to skin and leaving skin velvety smooth. Y'all, it's like it goes on. It feels like a lotion when it goes on, and then it's just this soft, pillowy feel. That's the best. It's like you're running your fingers on a silk pillow sheet. That's what it feels like. So, providing proper adhesion to skin and leaving skin velvety smooth, contains soluble collagen to improve skin elasticity and camellia sinensis for moisturizing and antioxidant benefits. Now, I don't know what camellia sinensis is, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, this is coming in again at $18, and y'all, you'll see the close-ups. You'll see them. You'll see what I'm excited about. Next thing we have here, this is their eye primer. No problem eye primer. Problem. A little bit of wordplay. Okay, this is coming in at $22. This is a pump action. It comes off into your sponge to apply it to your eye. You will see in the video, the close-ups I'm going to show you guys, it comes off as translucent. It goes on again like a lotion, feel like almost like a lotion gel, and then it's just this soft, I don't like running your fingers over a silk pillowcase. That's what it feels like. But the makeup adhered to it so well. You guys will see the close-ups. You'll be able to see it for yourself. Again, $22, no problem eye primer. Y'all, these are going to be up here on my list of faves. Like, wow. Okay. Last thing we have here. This is their mascara. This is called Stretch Lash Effect Mascara. Y'all, this is coming in at $18. Top selling mascara features a unique super light and elastic formula to create buildable lash length and lasts all day. Takes your lashes to the extreme. They ain't lying. You'll see the close-ups. Stretch polymer gives the look of false lashes without the hassle, yet it easily washes off with warm water, so it won't irritate. It does come right off with warm water, you guys. The most sensitive eyes. This is amazing for sensitive eyes. This eye, my right eye, is extremely sensitive. My left eye, not so much, but this right eye needs all the help that it can get. Enriched with silk proteins to protect and promote happy, healthy-looking lashes in just one swipe. So I actually ended up putting on 2 swipes. You'll see the 1 swipe, the 2 swipe, and what it ended up being with just the 2 coats applied, you guys. Y'all know how harsh I am on mascaras. Y'all know how harsh I am. I'm going to put the before and afters up for you. Close-ups of me doing it all. You guys, AIAxTouchinSol has officially touched my soul, and your girl is going to have this at the very highest of her products to use. So, yeah, I'm going to take pictures of all of it for when I run out, and y'all know my chaotic world, I ain't throwing stuff away. I'm going to take pictures so I can save this on my phone so I can buy more of it when I forget everything that I forget. Okay, loves, I'm going to go into putting all this on for you guys, let you guys see the close-ups. Again, you guys, this is the AIA Beauty Bundle collab with A Touch of Soul. $38 monthly. It is available right now still. I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys. Y'all, watch these results. Watch the application. It's wow. All right, your girl's going to see you in the next video, and I'm just going to go ahead and play me putting all this stuff on and let y'all see the before and afters.